Welcome to the first tutorial of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful program that is used for data management and data analytics. It is used by all businesses that track, calculate, or analyze any type of data, such as business income, expenditure, sale, purchase, budget, financial result, etc. Excel's interface is very easy to use. You can easily perform complex calculations. It also has programming capabilities of Visual Basic applications, using which you can easily automate your work. These tutorials have been prepared to take your analytics skill from beginner level to advanced level in Microsoft Excel. Let's first understand the interface of Microsoft Excel. Worksheets are most important in Excel. It appears at the bottom of the Excel window. You can add more than 250 worksheets in an Excel file. When you open an Excel file, 3 worksheets are available for you. That are Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. You can add a new worksheet by clicking on Insert Worksheet option right here. Cells are available in each worksheet to start working on data. Cells are made with a combination of rows and columns. A total of 16,384 columns from A to XFD are available in the worksheet. There are more than 10 lakh rows available in an Excel sheet. Each cell has a name. You can see this right here in the name box. For example, currently your cursor is at D10 cell, that is column D and row number 10. Right next to the name box, you can see the formula bar. Formula bar is used to write or edit formulas in a cell. The area above the formula bar is called ribbon. You can see 7 different ribbons on your screen. In the Home ribbon, you will learn about commands or options related to a worksheet, such as cut, copy, paste, font, size, bold, italic, align, formatting, etc. Similarly, in Insert ribbon, you will learn to add elements like pivot tables, pictures, clip art, shapes, charts in a worksheet. In the Page Layout ribbon, you will learn to change the layout of your worksheet by using the options such as colors, fonts, themes, orientation, margins, background, etc. With Formulas ribbon, you can apply financial, logical, text, date time, lookup, mathematical formulas, etc. on data. In the Data ribbon, you will learn to import external data, create external data connections, internal data analysis, grouping, filtering, sorting, etc. In the Review ribbon, you will learn options to protect your workbook, share your workbook, add comments, check spelling, translate, etc. In the View ribbon, you will learn to change the layout of the worksheet, such as normal layout, page break layout, page layout, along with other options like zoom, ruler, freeze pans, etc. Apart from the basics, you will also learn things like creating data in Microsoft Excel, applying formulas to data, analyzing data, automating via Visual Basic applications, and creating data presentations. With regular practice, we are sure that by the end of this course, you will be an expert in Microsoft Excel and will be able to work on any type of data or complex calculations. So, let's start the journey of learning Microsoft Excel. I will see you in the next tutorials, where you will learn about data. Thank you.